Tesla Giga Shanghai upgrade has been extremely successful and has already reduced the wait time for vehicles. This trend is, quote, a scary prospect for Tesla's competitors, says Piper Sandler analyst. Piper Sandler analyst Alexander Potter, in a recent note to customers, drew attention to the reduction in delivery wait times in regions supplied by the Tesla factory in Shanghai, by Giga Shanghai. After extensive modernization of production lines, Giga Shanghai has significantly increased its production capacity, which will be especially evident after receiving the September sales reports. So please subscribe to our channel for the September numbers. I will report that. The analyst predicts even higher monthly production volumes in the coming months and suggests that at some point Tesla will start cutting prices, capturing more market share. Do you agree with that? Here's what he said. He said, as production ramps and wait times fall, we think Tesla will remain singularly capable of quickly meeting consumer electric vehicle demand at palatable price points. While other brands struggle to ramp production, Tesla will presumably start cutting prices, thereby boosting market share at everyone's else's expense. End of the quote. I don't know about this, but Potter also noted that while production continues to rise, margin expansion is likely to be limited by declining vehicle prices. Therefore, he does not recommend that investors expect gross margins to sustainably exceed 30% as has been the case in the second half of the last year and early 2022. In addition, the analyst stressed that Tesla continues to solve supply bottlenecks, and if it achieves this, it would be a really scary prospect for other car makers. Tesla itself aims to reach a production capacity of 20 million cars a year by 2030. For that, Tesla needs at least 7 to 12 gigafactories. If Tesla's upstream supply bottleneck truly are breaking, we think it's a scary prospect for other brands, analysts said. Friends, Tesla China is increasing volumes, but still maintains a good quality output, which is good. This is very good. And despite that, Tesla China announced recently that the electric car maker would focus more on improving customer service and deliver experience, which is also very good. This is where Elon Musk and Tesla really need to spend time on improving customer experience. Simply increasing volumes but providing a car with defects and then not be able to fix the defects quickly is leading to a lot of lent-up frustration. I can wait longer, say some Tesla owners. Longer if they produce and deliver a vehicle free of defects, they say. Otherwise, that market share that all Tesla shareholders are so enthused about will dissolve rapidly when the competition arrives in a year or two, and some competition is already there. I know that space is limited at Tesla's Fremont factory. Thus, if Fremont is limited, it is better that Tesla takes it easy there at Fremont and produces more vehicles out of Texas. What do you think about this? Do you think Tesla will soon drop the prices? I think as long as Tesla demand exceeds its supply, I don't see why the prices should come down. I don't see that. But I would like to hear your comments in the comment section below. Tesla is planning something really big in Germany. It plans to double its sales, local executive told Automobile World in an interview published yesterday. The total gain would see sales climb to around 80,000 for this year from sales of nearly 40,000 in 2021. 21 spokesman from Tesla wasn't immediately available for comments for Reuters. But Germany has become one of Tesla's largest European markets, where the company sells tens of thousands of vehicles a year. I don't know how things are going in France, but Germany is one of the largest. The increasing acceptance of the manufacturer is also due to the fact that Tesla has a factory in the country, Giga Berlin, and cars made at Giga Berlin are highly preferred by citizens there. The more developed the company becomes in the country, the deeper its cars will penetrate, captivating German car buyers. Agree? So on Sunday, the German weekly Automobile Vogue cited Tesla's local manager, who said the company wants to double car sales in Germany in 2022 compared to last year. The source said Tesla will look to attract more customers with more stores and better service offerings. That means Tesla is going to open more stores in Germany. In 2021, the company sold 39,000 Model 3s and Model Ys in Germany, which means that sales in 2022 could go to 80,000, according to estimated plan. As of the end of August, Tesla had sold 24,732 vehicles, according to EU EVs data. This means that in the next 4 months, Tesla should sell about 55,000 Model 3s and Model Ys in Germany. At the moment, it is not known whether the Automobile Work Report reflects reality. However, Tesla may well deliver such a number of vehicles to Germany before the end of the year. The third and fourth quarters of the year are traditionally extremely fruitful for the company. Giga Shanghai has recently been upgraded. Although the company has not officially announced the installed capacity, sources say it is more than 90,000 vehicles per month. That's the capacity. Of course, the Giga Shanghai, of course, it's not there yet. This means that only this one factory, which delivers Europe and Asia, will be able to produce about 350,000 vehicles in the remaining 4 months of this year. In addition, Giga Berlin continues to ramp up production. At the end of June, the factory reached a production capacity of 1,000 vehicles per week. It is expected that reaching the milestone of 2,000 vehicles per week is not far off. Now, even with the production of 2,000 vehicles per week, Giga Berlin will be able to produce 8,000 units before the end of the year, but it is clear that production capacity will increase. According to the plan, by the end of 2022, beginning of 2023, the factory will reach a production capacity of 5,000 vehicles per week. So if in 2021, or up until now in the past 12 months, Tesla has sold more than 39,000 cars in Germany, do you think in the next 12 months Tesla may be able to double it to 80,000 cars in Germany? That will be something really big that Tesla is going to do in Germany. But I don't know how things are going in Italy and France regarding Tesla sales. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section below, because those are also large European countries with huge population, close or comparable to Germany, including Spain and United Kingdom. I'll look forward to hearing your comment on that. Shanghai's government says Tesla Giga Shanghai production capacity expansion is done. Some people say soon Tesla will start the production of second Gigafactory in Shanghai. Others say they would be very cautious about putting so many eggs in China's basket. What do you think is right here for Tesla? What would you do if you were Tesla? So Tesla's Giga Shanghai production capacity expansion has been completed. The information was related on Monday in a statement on a Shanghai government platform for environmental disclosures. The completion of Tesla's upgrades to its China-based plant was also mentioned in a lengthy report on the city's industrial progress. The statement on the Shanghai government platform noted that Giga Shanghai's fully upgraded production lines would be tested from around September 19 to November 30. The upgrade should go a long way toward making Giga Shanghai into Tesla's most productive electric car plant this year. By the way, when I report about Giga Shanghai, some of you correct me about my pronunciation. I still don't know which one is the right pronunciation. Anyway, previous reports from Reuters have noted that the electric vehicle maker has been pushing to ramp its vehicle production output to about 2,200 units of Model 3 and Model Y per day. Recent comments from Tesla China VP Grace Tao also indicated that Gigafactory Shanghai's supply chain had been 95% localized, which is good news. Suppliers are within a 4-hour driving distance in the Yangtze River Delta as well. So Tesla has not issued a comment about the matter as of this report. Beijing Daily, a state-backed newspaper, noted last November that Tesla was looking to invest about $170 million to expand Giga Shanghai's production capacity. The upgrades are also expected to enable Tesla to employ 4,000 more people at the facility there. The state-backed newspaper estimated that the upgrades there were expected to be completed around April 4. Giga Shanghai's momentum was cut in late March and April, however, as China enacted its strictest COVID-related shutdown since the start of the virus, with Shanghai locked down the activities of Tesla China-based EV plant ground to a halt, and even when it resumed, it took a while before normal operations were resumed. Elon Musk highlighted this during Tesla's Q2 2022 earnings call. This is what Elon said. Listen, he said, so just as a Q2 recap, Q2 was a unique quarter for Tesla due to a prolonged shutdown of our Shanghai factory. But in spite of all these changes, it was one of the strongest quarters in our history. Most importantly, in June, we achieved production records in both Fremont and Shanghai, Musk said. So what do you think Tesla should do? If you were Tesla, would you build a second gigafactory in Shanghai or in China, or you would be cautious putting all eggs in one basket? I mean, keep in mind, China is the largest car market in the world. China is the largest electric vehicle market in the world. I'll look forward to your comments.